Hi guys, in this video, I'll teach you how you can invest in the stock market by using BPI Trade. Hi guys, Tony here, and I am here to teach you everything you need to know about money. Money hacks, money tricks, tips, investing, saving, lahat ng alam ko ituturo ko sa inyo. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and the like button and yung doorbell sign dyan para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos ko. Kung mapapansin nyo, siningit ko lang tong video na to kasi ang hirap mag-record sa bahay dahil lahat work from home. So, medyo maingay sa bahay. Anyway, nung nag-post ako sa Instagram ko about telling people na it's time to buy some of the stocks that I recommended because pataas na sila. But again, we're not sure if tuloy-tuloy yun, no? Pero some are already going up. And daming friends ko na nagsabing, paano yan? How did you do it? So, in this video, I'll teach you a step-by-step guide on how to invest in the stock market. Before we get started, actually, nakapaggawa na po ako ng video about how to get started with stock investing. If you have missed that, I will link that through here dito sa taas and dito po sa baba. Tinuro ko po yung basics on telling you kung saan kayo pwede mag-invest and basically the background of stock investing. So, ililink ko po siya ulit. Again, na kwento ko na po yung before. But in this video naman kasi, ang difference nitong video is that ito naman, step by step using the BPI Trade. I'm going to talk about BPI Trade kasi isa to sa matagal ko nang ginagamit. Use this because I linked it through my bank account. So it was very hassle-free for me. That's why this is the bank that I chose to invest in the stock market. Pero if you have any other suggestions or if you know any other banks that you know of that you want me to explore, please let me know down in the comments below. Ganon din po kung may gusto po kayong matutunan, let me know down in the comments below. Alright? And I'm just gonna say quick shout out to all of my friends who have asked. Actually, sila yung nagtanong kung paano ba tayo mag-invest. Can you make a tutorial video? So, ito na po yun. Kilala nyo na kung sino kayo. And also to Miss Denise, thank you for watching and for suggesting that you want to learn about stock investing. So, I won't get into much of your time. So, let's get started with the video.
First things first, you have to register via the BPI Trade. We go to bpitrade.com. Yan yung lalabas sa inyo. You click here, open an account, and you have to agree to the terms. And when you click agree, basahin nyo, syempre. And then when you click agree, you have to complete the application form. Ngayon, ang downfall lang nito is, although sinasabi nilang online application, you still have to go to a branch to submit the form. Mas maganda sana kung online lang since medyo nasa quarantine period nga tayo, medyo baka mahirapan tayo. If you remember, yung sinabi ko kanina na-mention ko naman before sa video ko kung anong mga pwede nyo pang options to start with trading online. Now, next time ko na po ipapakita yung iba kung paano yon. Pero for now, since this is a step-by-step tutorial, we're gonna assume na meron na kayong BPI Trade or nakapag-open na kayo. So, just for your future reference na lang po siguro kung wala pa kayong BPI Trade. Let's go in and log into my account so I can show you. So, pagkatapos nyo mag-register, kung may BPI account kayo, pwede nyo i-link ito doon. Kung hindi naman, they will be giving you an account para makapaglagay kayo ng pera. You can start as low as 5,000 pesos to start with trading. Ibabrowse through ko na lang kayo sa page nila since this is a step-by-step tutorial. First is the home page. Kapag nakapag-login ka na sa account mo, makikita mo itong chart. Ito yung current market natin. So, ayan siya ngayon. Pababa siya kanina. Ito yung mga stocks mo for overview. And then, you have announcements here. So, para mabilis tayo, hindi ko siya iisa-isahin. I'll give you parang importante yung malaman. Okay? Ito yung market value mo. kung kunyari kung magkano na yung na-invest mo, ito na yon. Yung buying power, yan yung pwede mo pang bilhin. Okay? Yan yung pwede mo pang gastusin. And ito yung current na kunyari kita mo or lugi mo, nandito siya nakalagay. Now, so far, ang importante lang naman is for you to understand that stock investing is all about the company. Yung stocks ng isang company, depende yan sa market. Kung may nangyari, katulad ngayong pandemic, wala nabibenta yung mga companies, wala silang kita, tendency, bababa at bababa yung market kasi instead of putting money into a company, yung mga tao nagpapanik dahil nga baka mawalan sila ng pera, kaya kinukuha nila pabalik. So that's why pag ganun nangyari, mas marami nagbibenta kaysa bumibili, pababa yung stocks. Ang kailangan mong malaman about stock investing is you have to do your research. Okay? So we know that the market is going down, we know it will go up sometimes since wala naman siya pupuntahan kung hindi pataas. You have to check always yung company na gusto mong bilhin. How do we do that? We go to the charts. You have two options. Static looks like this. Okay, let's say BPI. You put the stock code here. Symbol guide, yan yung dito mo makikita lahat ng codes ng or symbols ng company. So let's say si Ayala Corp is AC. So yung ita-type mo is AC. So let's type AC here. Yan. So yung static and dynamic, it's just really for preference. Ito yung itsura ng static. Ito naman yung dynamic. As I have mentioned nga sa Instagram ko, kaya din nagtatanong yung mga friends ko, is, ayan, kung makikita niya medyo pataas na rin yung slowly pataas yung stock. So, medyo kung sana bumili kayo dito, medyo tumubo na tayo. This is gonna be a basic guide. Step by step lang po to. So, yung mga tips, I am willing to teach you more. Just let me know down in the comments below if you want to learn more about stock investing. Okay, so meron naman silang tools dito for you to use as well. Bumaba siya nung nagkaroon tayo ng pandemic and slowly nakakapag-recover naman. Pero panic buying yung mga tao dito, panic selling pala rather. Then slowly, since mababa nga siya, yung ibang tao, tinake advantage na bumili kaya medyo tumaas na yung stock. Ito yung pinakakailangan mong tingnan. Not really every day. If you have time, why not every day? Pero basically, this is for your reference kung you think it's time to buy or time to sell. Again, simple guide is here for you to know anong gusto mong bilhin. I would suggest na i-check nyo muna yung chart bago kayo either bumili or magbenta ng kahit ano. So research, this is really more of the companies itself, mga reports, analytics, the price, the shares. You can browse through it. And let's go to trading. Let's go to new order. Meron tayong dalawa dito, normal and odd lot. So, ano ba yung difference nun? So, normal is yung kung marami kang nalagay na pera. Normal is kung bibili ka ng 100 stocks. Let's say, okay, JFC. Let's get a quote. Usually, sa normal, ito yung mga quantity of stocks you need to buy. Diyan naglalaro yon. But if you are a small time player, kunyari, 10 stocks lang, 9 stocks lang, you click the odd lot. Okay? So remember that. Normal is for big quantities and odd lot is for smaller quantities. Pero you have to check here kung gaano ba yung maraming or pinakakonting stocks na pwede mong bilhin. How do we do this? So, either you buy or you sell. Okay? You have two options. By the way, odd lot is only available during market times. What is market time? I think it's 9 a.m. up to 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. Somewhere around that time. Lata naman na hindi ako tutok masyado. Anyway, so quantity, you put the quantity here. Si kung sino man to, wanted to buy 76,000 of worth of stocks. So let's try 76,000. And then price, ikaw magbibid. Ikaw magsasabi kung magkano ang gusto mong presyo for the Jollibee stocks. How do we know how much? First is through the chart kung magkano siya ngayon. So let's just see kung magkano siya ngayon. JFC ngayon is at 120 pesos. So you have to go around that price. Kung mapapansin nyo, ganun din yung mga bid price nila. Let's play around 120. Okay? Or kung generous ka, 121. And then, yung term is kung gano siya katagal mong gustong i-bid. Ang difference ito is yung day is yung offer mo na 76,000 for 121 will only last a day sa marketplace. Pero if you click Good Till Week, yung offer mo na 76,000 stocks for 121 pesos will last in a week. May time, kumbaga, yung mga tao bumili ng stock mo within the week, kung meron man or wala, kung wala, sorry ka na lang. Kung in a week may bumili, edi meron ka ng 76,000 worth of stocks ng Jollibee. Ito naman GTM is Good Till Month. Isang buong month nandun lang nakalagay sa marketplace. Usually ako Good Till Week lang kasi for that week, ito yung dun lang naman maglalaro yung stocks eh. Pag Good Till Month, we don't know how much siya tataas, how much siya bababa. If you're gonna buy Jollibee for 121 pesos in the normal setup, it's gonna be 9 million pesos. But I don't have that much money, kaya I usually do the odd lot, but it's not available right now kasi naka-close pa yung market. Okay? Yan on. The market is closed. The order will not be added. If you're good with that, you have to preview your order and then input your password and then you're done. Pwede mo din ma-check lahat ng stocks mo in one go. It's right here. Either you withdraw the funds. Meron lang akong 1,398 left. I can withdraw the fund by clicking this one. View orders is kung may order ako, like yung ginawa natin kanina, kung may napindot akong buy or sell, nandito lahat yon. Since wala. So, yeah, makikita nyo. Open orders is nandyan lahat ng wala pang gumagalaw. Matched is, kunyari, yun kanina, 76,000 for 121 pesos. May kumagat, dito siya lalabas, matched. So, it means na nangyari na yun. Transaction canceled is cancel. And then rejected is siguro in a week, walang kumagat, dito siya mapapadpad sa rejected. The good thing about BPI is aside from the interface itself, meron silang calculator. So, kung gusto mo muna makita yung gagastusin mo, let's say kanina JFC at 76,000 stocks at 121, yan yung total kasi may fees pa yan eh, so hindi talaga yan lang yun. Ito yung pinaka-total, yan yung computation and everything. If you want to view all of your stocks, you click the view portfolio. Nasa baba yung pinaka profit or loss mo. Negative ako kasi mababa yung market, but merong nagsisave sa akin, naka-green sila ngayon, but we're really not sure kung itong mga red na to is going up or going down. Binili ko to way before the pandemic started, kaya ayan, nandyan na siya. If you want to buy more stocks, they have a quick link here. Sell yung stocks, nandito yung quick link. Stock names. Last is kung magkano siya last time sa market. Si Ayala is last time 498. JFC, ayan, sabi ko sa inyo, 120. And then average cost is how much yung mga binili mo for the past few years, magkano siya in an average. So, kunyari, binili ko ang AC ng 900 before and then 500 before. Average niya is 750, yung dalawang price na yon, kaya 750 siya. So, kaya ako lugi kasi total ng binili ko is at average is 750 and ngayon 498 na siya. I don't wanna sell kasi lugi. I'm waiting the stocks to go up before I can sell. Ito yung share. So, kung ilan yung shares mo for a certain stock. So, if you can see, I have already invested 14,000. Hopefully soon I'll get profit from it. Basically, that's it for the BPI trade. Again, this is not your only option. Kaya ko to ginawang first tutorial of the stocks kasi ito yung meron ako ngayon. It was very easy for me. The fastest way I can get into stock investing because I already have a BPI account. Pero if you don't, ayun nga po, medyo baka matagal na kayo. But don't worry, you have other options wherein you can trade online. Basically, yung mga pinipindot naman dito, yung mga charts, yung kung paano ka bibili, is almost the same with other places where you can buy the stocks. Hindi naman siya lalayo masyado. If you have understood on how to read or how to know which stocks you will buy, ganun din po yun sa other apps or other websites for trading in the stock market.
Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you've learned a lot, and if you have any other comments, suggestions, or questions, please let me know down in the comments below or send me a PM via Twitter or Instagram. I am more responsive there. And thank you again for watching. I hope you stay safe and wag po kayong lumabas unless needed, and I do hope to see you again soon. Bye!